Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, and if you're new around here, I upload videos on the best tools, tech and tactics that I use for improving my online content, and I share what I know with you guys. So this is actually part 2 of an Instagram stories highlight series that I'm doing on this channel. If you haven't seen the first episode where I created this, I showed you how to create Instagram highlight covers, and if you want to watch that video, there will be a link in the description, also in the pinned comment, and you can click the little iCard here in whatever corner it's actually in. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how I created this Instagram highlight intro, which I personally use at the start of my travel series. I think that this kind of helps my Instagram stories appear sleek and high quality and just give it more of a professional look. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to create that with the use of masks and a few other little bits inside of Photoshop. Now obviously you can take this knowledge and sort of apply it to your own photos and graphics and styling in whatever way that you want to create something very original. But if not, you can create this specific Instagram highlight just by copying this tutorial. So without further ado, let's just jump straight into this. Over on Photoshop, you can open up a new project with the dimensions 1080 by 1920. And this is going to create this composition here, which is going to fit your Instagram stories. Once here, you will want to use the paint bucket tool to change the background color to the one that you want for your specific Instagram story. I'm going to be going with white in this instance, so I'm just going to leave it as it is. After that, you can go up here and select the circle marquee tool. Make sure to hold shift as you drag this out to create a symmetrical circle, and you're just going to want to drag this into the center where it should snap into place. After that, come down to this panel here and click this button, which is going to create a mask on our colored background layer. After you've done that, you can drag in your photo that you're going to be using for your highlight. I'm just going to drag this down here below my white background layer, and you can see it starts to appear through this circle. Once this is done, you're going to go ahead and lower the opacity on this background so that you can see the photo below. What I recommend you do is that you hold Control and push the letter T, or Command and T if you're on a Mac, and just drag this up to a size that is nice and big within the circle. Now, what I personally try and do on this step is I try to frame my photo so that something is poking out of the top of the circle. This is so that when I mask this out in a couple of minutes time, you'll be able to see that it adds a lot more depth to the photo, and I think that this actually kind of helps you stand out more than a lot of the other Instagram stories that you'll find on Instagram. Once you have a point or something like this poking out of your circle, you want to make sure that you have the mask selected down here, and you can go ahead and push the P tool for the pen. So once you have this, you're going to want to carefully go around that point that you want to mask, like so. For me, it is going to be this tower part on top of St. Paul's Cathedral. I'm going to be masking this out. And once I've gone around it like this, I'm going to change the opacity back to 100%. And you're going to want to go ahead and right click and click select, and then you're going to want to push Control if you're on a PC or Command if you're on a Mac, and then hit the backspace key on your keyboard, and that's going to fill that selection with black. This then will mask all of that out, and as you can see, we'll have the tower then poking out with the rest of St. Paul's, and I think this looks really nice. As I zoom in here, you'll be able to see that there are a few extra blue pixels left over from the sky, and I'm actually going to be using the brush tool with either the white or black paint just to paint out those certain areas to help tidy up the mask. Once you're completed with this, go up here and click File, Save As, and then either save this as a JPEG or a PNG, and boom, that's pretty much all that there is to it. You'll end up with a high quality, great looking Instagram highlight story. So there you have it. That is how I created this Instagram story for my travel highlight on my Instagram profile. And as I mentioned at the beginning of this video, this is actually part 2 of an Instagram highlight series that I'm doing on this channel. If you want to see the first part of this tutorial where I take this highlight that we just created and combine it with a cover to get this cool fading effect, there will actually be a link in the description, the iCard right here, and also in the comments down below. Alternatively, if you do want to see the third and final part of this Instagram stories, that is also linked in the exact same places down in the description, and I'm going to be showing you how to create high quality Instagram stories that look like this. Question of the day: what kind of Instagram highlights are you creating today as you watch this tutorial? Let us know in the comments below. For more tools, tech and tactic videos that I use for improving my online content just like this one, be sure to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell, and I'll see you all in the next one.